Well, how the doing, peeps? In this video, it's how to get to the Ralston Cross, the easy way in Glencoe. So stay tuned. Right then, peeps, on his way to the Ralston Cross from the easy way. Right, just down here, just round back there is the main road. We've actually parked at the meeting of the Three Waters, because we've just been underneath the bridge at the Three Waters, which I'll put a few images on now for you. So if you park there, walk down the road, be careful, stay to the left hand side, and when there's safe to cross, do so where that barrier is and come across there. I'll show you on his way back, because going back that way. Then you'll come across to the Roman road. Here we go. So instead of going all the way around and back around that way, it cuts a nice little corner off here. And you get a cracking view of Glencoe. So before we hit the cross, we'll show you the view that you get. And then we'll just nip up to the cross, which is literally 5 minutes. So yeah, it is a bit boggy walking up there for the time being, because there's been a lot of rain in the Glencoe, as you've probably seen from the last couple of videos. So we are now, with this bit of a mood and low-lying clag, we thought, right, let's go up to the Ralston Cross and show you guys how to get there. So we are just walking on this Roman road now. When you get to the corner, you get some beautiful leading lines and stuff. But on your right hand side, you'll just see this nice big boulder at the top. Halfway down, there's another one. That's just where we'll be heading up for in a wee while. But for the time being, we're going to make use of some leading lines and some epic views. Right then, peeps, as you can see by this big view behind us, we are just heading up to the Ralston Cross now. We have got this nice boulder in front of us, but what I'm doing with it, I am just there's a bit of a slack heap where it cuts into the road. So I'm making sure the boulder is going to be hiding that slack heap, so it looks like the road actually comes out of the boulder. So we've got some nice moody clouds as well, and the leading lines of this foreground just shoot you straight off into the distance. But if you look from behind me and all, you can see all three sisters as well, so you can shoot it from both sides. So from literally 5-10 minute walk from where we park the car, well, park the vans, up here, it's a no-brainer for a view like this, isn't it? And if I spin you around as well, you can probably just make out a little gravelly path, just sort of up here, sort of winds up. We're only going up to round about there, because over the other side of that hill, that's where the cross is. So yeah, I'll pop these on for you, because I'm going to do a quick handheld pano as well. So I'll leave you with these as we go a little further up to the cross. Right then, as you can see, we're just heading up this little gravelly path. So when we get to the top of this, the cross should appear. And don't think it's big either. So on the images, it always looks big. And it's not. Obviously, with your wide angle, you can get quite close to it. So we are just heading up here. Just that little gap, just round about there. Somewhere, and then the cross should appear. Like I say, we're following this little path all the way up. When you see that little bothy house there on the path, just turn round, because that's the view you get, and the Ralston Cross is just here. And of course, fill your boots up time. Of course, bring your wide angle and get close to that cross. And that's where it is. So yeah, literally 10-15 minutes, the easy way for some epic views in Glencoe. Right peeps, while we're up here, I've got the long lens on as well, just because we're getting quite a bit of mood over on the Three Sisters. I can see there, look. So I'm zooming in, just getting little corners with mist and that in, just to give you a bit of sense of mystery in that round here. So yeah, but it is a cracking place. Big D's filling his boots now with the cross, and we can hear bagpipes going off, so we don't know roughly where he is. There's like a bit of a gathering on the hillside over there, so don't know whether there could be a wedding or something going on, but I'll get the long lens on. I'll try and see what's happening over there. Let's have a little wander around the top. And round the corner, you get this. So you can probably use some of this rock as leading lines and stuff as well for that big view. Which is exactly what I'm going to do over here. Cover nose and see what's over here. And get a shot leading down some of this rock, because I think it all leads the same way. So let's have a nosy. Yeah, there we go, look. You're going to use some of this rock as a leading line for that lovely view. Right peeps, we are just heading back down now. So as I mentioned on the way up, there's a path, but this is very, very boggy at the minute. Obviously we've had a lot of rain. So you head down towards the barrier. So going back the same way we came up, because obviously we're parked up at the Three Waters. So you park there, then cross the road. So just be very careful when you cross this road, because it is a blind bend as such. So keep your ears open. So yeah. So anyway, as always, if you've enjoyed this, please do the old thumbs up. So if you're ever in there you go. If you're ever in Glencoe, check this view out, because the Ralston Cross never really found anywhere that told you where it was. Hence this video. So yeah, a nice short one for today. Some of the views you get up there are absolutely epic. And especially with a bit of mood like we've got today, makes a little bit of difference. So yeah, I'll leave you with all the final images anyway. And of course, please subscribe and enjoy your photography, and see you on the next one. Bye for now. Fucking hell, fucking recorded it. Bollocks. I didn't record it. No. Right. Right then peeps, as you can